In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add phone number to your TikTok account. This enables two-factor authentication, ensuring that only you can access your account even if someone else knows your password. To do this, simply head to TikTok. Onto your profile page, tap onto these three lines and head to Settings and Privacy. Select Account. Head to Account Information. You want to tap onto this very first option of phone number. Enter in your phone number and tap on Continue. A 6-digit code will be sent to that exact number. You just need to enter the code to confirm if it's your number. Once done, your phone number will successfully get added to your TikTok account. In case you forget your login credentials or your account is compromised, TikTok can send recovery codes to your phone. Well, that's how easy it is to add phone number to your TikTok account.